Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sign a PDF using Dropbox for free? Let me show you how in few easy steps. First, go to dropbox.com, sign in or create a free account if you don't have one. Now click upload, then choose file. Now all you have to do is select your PDF. So this is the PDF and I'm going to select open. Now it will upload in a few seconds. I'm going to cross it. Now select all files. And here is my upload PDF. Now all you have to do is double click. And at the top you can see something called sign. Click sign and then select sign yourself. And now here you will see multiple options like draw your signature, type your name, you can upload an image, pick what works best for you. So let's say I'm going to type my name. Okay, now once done, all you have to do is select insert. Now you can move the signature to the right spot like the bottom of the pages. You can also resize it or drag it around. So like here, you can resize, you can drag it around, whatever you like, just do it. Now you see it's super easy, and when you think everything is done, all you have to do is click save. And now if you want to save it to your computer, all you have to do is select download. And it will download to your computer to download folder. And I'm going to select save. And that's it. That's how you sign a PDF in Dropbox and no paid tools needed. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.